to another episode. Today is part 8 of Cera the Bearded Dragon. We're going to finish this baby up today. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and go ahead and share the video. While you're at it, please go ahead and take a visit to my website where I've got all sorts of stuff available on there to help support me. And with that out of the way, let's get into today's video. So, with this being the last video for this bearded dragon, we are going to be a little bit all over the place. I'm doing a lot of smaller work and smaller details, and our palette is relatively the same. We've got Mars Black, Titanium White, Yellow Ochre, Burnt Sienna, Raw Umber, and I do have some Cadmium Red and Cadmium Yellow as well mixed into there just to give me some different hues and colors in there. And we're just going to be all over the place doing all our small details, doing some really dark shadows and really bright highlights, and this will really help bring out the depth in everything and really put the cherry on the top. So just do your best to follow along, and hopefully you'll end up with something that you're proud of.
This is a recording of an actual murder. The setting, my office. The music, recorded. The time, night. The victim, yourself. Lovely open scene. You did exactly what I wanted. Don't you get it? What is this? No idea.
Nothing.
The climax, ladies and gentlemen, of the listening audience, I address to you.
He's going to kill you. He's going to kill both of us. Well,
You're so used to dreaming on paper you can't live anymore. You're up, Lumber. You're up.
They say in that racket everybody's crazy.
Episode, and this painting is complete. And if you have been following along, then you should have something relatively close to this. This bearded dragon just came out looking fantastic, and I will not be painting another one again. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and visit my website, and I will see you in the next video.